Hi, it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add flocking to a wreath. You can use this technique to flock a Christmas tree, flock a garland, or a wreath like this, or a swag, anything like that, and it would be great. For this video I'm going to show you how to flock a wreath. I got this simple evergreen basic wreath from Michael's. It was really inexpensive, and I'm using snow flock. And I just got this off Amazon. This is a 2-pound bag, and this apparently is the best. So this is what we're going to be using. And then we're also going to be using a spray bottle with water and a sifter. Any kind of sifter you have will work great. And we're going to be putting the snow in here. The first thing we're going to do before we start actually flocking the wreath is we're going to fluff this wreath out, because right now it looks really bad and we want the snow to cover lots and lots of different pieces, and we don't want clumps. So that's the first thing we're going to do. And I'm just pulling out pieces all around so it's nice and fluffy. Because remember, we're going to have the snow falling all around. See how much better that looks? Another reason why I wanted to do this flocking project is because sometimes flocked wreaths can be very expensive. And like I said, I just picked this up from Michael's. It was on sale for $3.99. And when I had bought a wreath that is flocked and nice from Michael's, it was $30. So this is a great way to also save some money. Now we're gonna go outside because this can be a messy project. I did this outside because it's pretty messy. I'd also recommend putting something down to protect your surface. I'm using a big piece of plastic left over from painting. First, use a spray bottle to mist the wreath all over. Then add the snow flock to your sifter. Shake the sifter over your wreath and spray the snow flock as it falls in the air. I definitely recommend doing this on a day there isn't any wind. Even a little breeze blew the snow flock enough that I had to move the sifter to the side so the snow flock would fall on the wreath. Then continue shaking and spraying all over the wreath until you have the snowy look that you want. You can do a little bit or a lot. I found this worked a lot better when I was a little more generous with my sifting and more snow flock came out at once. Just sift and spray, sift and spray. When you have the snowy look you want, mist the wreath all over again to seal it. I'm so happy with how this turned out. It looks so good. Then you just need to set it aside to dry for 24 to 72 hours. All right, it has been about 48 hours since I made the wreath. It was actually dry a day ago, but here it is all ready to go. I'm so excited to use it. So if you want to see what I do with this wreath, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I post another video, and you won't miss what I do with this wreath. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.